Hey guys, what's up? So I just got home and I ended up stopping by David's Tea. I've been really into steeping tea, like loose leaf tea at home lately. So I just want to do a quick haul and show you guys all the stuff that I picked up. If you see right here, most of these have like a little yellow tag or orange tag, and that just means that these are caffeine free. I can't really have caffeine, so I just go for the ones that are like caffeine free. And I'm gonna start with this bag over here because this is just like 2 items in here. So I got this little spoon because it measures out the tea perfectly. So I usually do 2 scoops of this for like 2 cups of tea, and it's like the perfect serving, and it's in rose gold. It says David's Tea right there. This is really cute. The other thing I got in this bag is this steeper. It's called the steeper, and it says it's magic. This thing works so good. As soon as I got home, I made a cup of tea with this, and it's pretty cool. I have it right here. I just rinsed it and dried it up, but I just took it out the box not that long ago. And basically what you do is you just put your loose leaf tea in here. You can see there's like this little mesh thing down there, and that just strains the tea. And this one is the 18 ounce. I think they have a 36 ounce one too, but if you're a big tea lover, you should definitely pick this thing up and try it out because I don't know, it's just really good. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and show you guys all the teas. I have this one. This one's called the Glow, and it has cinnamon, rose hips, nettle rooibos, I don't know what that is, rose petals, marigold, and a little bit of natural flavoring. I also have, let's see, this one's strawberry colada. This one's good in the summertime if you're like parched. This one has hibiscus, rosehip, shells, apple, pineapple, coconut, and strawberry. This is one of my favorites. I repurchased this one. It's called Guava Kadabra, and this one has mango, apple, hibiscus blossoms, elderberries, guava crunchy, beetroot, rosehip, and this one's very delicious on ice. I love that. So this one here, I would probably have a hot cup of tea with this one, and this one's called Super Ginger. Most of these are organic. There's probably like one of them that's not, but most of these are organic. And this one has ginger, green rooibos, black and white pepper, pink peppercorns, and stevia extract. The turmeric glow, I would probably have a hot cup of tea with this too. I think this one you can have hot or cold. It'll taste good either way, but this one has carrots, ginger, turmeric, pineapple, beetroot, and sweet blackberry leaf. So the last tea of the like bagged tea is this Just Peachy, and this one is like my favorite one of all. I purchased like 2 big bags of this one before, and I always go back and pick the same one up. I have this one like every day, and this one has apple, sweet blackberry leaves, and peach. I make this one and I add a little bit of agave in it, and I cool it down and add ice, so I make like a peached iced tea, and it's a good alternative to like an unhealthy sugary tea. So yeah, this one's my favorite one. I also got the Just Peachy tins. These come with the little cute tin, and this is the same flavor, Just Peachy. And I purchased this one because they ran out of the like the bags of it, so I just got these tins, which actually worked out better because I think they were like buy 2 get 1 free. So I ended up picking 3 of these up, and I'll just show you guys. It's a little tin, and then there's the loose leaf tea is in here. You can pour it out into the bag if you want, but yeah, it's right in there. And one thing I love, these are so like natural. You can just smell the fresh peach in it, and there's like chunks of peach, and some of them have like pineapple, strawberries, and oh my gosh, this is so good. So yeah, I picked up 3 of these, so I have about 4 containers of Just Peachy because I'm obsessed with this flavor. And the last 2 things that I got are these tins. I got these for free since I purchased a certain amount of tea. I got a gold one, and you can just pour your loose leaf tea in here and it just keeps them fresh. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. But yeah, they're just little tins that you can put your tea in. So I got this gold one, and I also picked this one up because it was really cute and they only had a few left. So it has like little roses. So yeah, I have those too. All right, so I'm going to show you guys really quickly how I make my cup of tea. So first I start with boiling 2 cups of water. It's already to a boil, so I'm gonna take it off of here. I'm then gonna take the Just Peachy tea because I want to make like an iced tea, and I'm gonna do 2 scoops of this tea. Then I'm gonna transfer the boiling water in here. And just set it on the little plate. I like to stir it before I let it sit. Stir it up really good. And that's it. This thing's so easy to use. So then I just close the lid and I let it sit for about like 15 to 20 minutes. And then after that, I'm just gonna put it on top of this little pitcher and transfer it in here. All right, now that it's done, I'm just going to literally place it on top of the little pitcher. And as you guys can see, it just, look at that. It just pours it into my little container, my little pitcher. And then it's done. It's like the easiest thing in the world. So this is basically how I make my tea, and I make this every single day. I do about 2 cups in the morning, and then I'll do 2 cups at night. So I'm gonna place this into the fridge, let it cool down for about 15 minutes, add agave and ice, and it's done. It's very simple, especially if you have the steeper. It makes your life a lot easier. So yeah, that's how I've been drinking tea every day. But I'm gonna let you guys go. We're gonna go finish watching the All-Star game. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.